Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful video of borderline embroidery designs. All of these borderline embroidery designs are totally handmade. These are hand embroidery, handwork, hand art, or needlework designs that could be specifically made for a wide variety of reasons and wide variety of usages. And this video is in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have been sharing thousands of designs of borderline embroidery. And as a result of your positive response on embroidery borders, I am sharing some more creative and beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. You can use them for a wide variety of reasons, like for designing your dresses, for designing your scarf, collar, dupatta, sari pallu, blouse, sleeve borders, trouser borders, baby girl dresses, and many more other creativity. But the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make use of these borderline embroidery designs for bedsheet embroidery, cushion embroidery, table mat, prayer mat, tablecloth, and different stylized pattern of other things like trunk covers, like storage box covers, and many more other creativities as per your choice. So different patterns of borderline embroidery that are beginner friendly, that require 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches have been shared with you in this video. And the theme of today's video is contrasting colors. That is, one is white or white or beige, that is being termed in the light color fraternity, and the one thing that is being shown to you is the black color base fabric designs. Also, both these colors are highly contrasting and always in demand and trend. That's why I'm sharing these two specific color fabric base. I hope that you like the design and ideas of today. If you really like them, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for new upcoming videos.